Hello, good day. My name is Alexey. I am international sales manager of the Boyle company, manufacturer of iTap dispenser bottle filler and beverage equipment. We are dealing with more as 100 dealers and distributors around the world, and my personally experience is around 60 selling dealers on the 5 continents. Really, the wholesaler or some middle company or also some small trading company dealer, they have the same questions according to accessories to our iTap dispenser. Therefore, I would like just to answer these questions, and step by step I will explain you for you, just for the purpose that you can understand all the set accessories to our main iTap product. And just from one side, we use for Shanks for iTap. The standard shank to standard walls or some stand. The short shank is used more for towers. Long shank is used and designed for carburetors, is assembled on carburetors as mainly. And also we have a splined shank just for adjusting of iTap according to the center. It helps really by assembly. Our clients, when we started 4 years ago, they had different stands and towers, so to say. They have used, for example, some racks, some chairs, or any else. But we have really designed the very good product like a stand for iTap and tower also, and your clients can assembly iTap on the stand or tower, and this is a very good solution, very comfortable, friendly, and so on. Then we would like to explain you about adapters. We have for a day 6 and yet 7 adapters for your bottles, of your clients. The best solution, if you send us the measurements, the drawing of the bottles which are used by your clients mostly, and we can give you the best solution of adapter. Because there are a lot of different kinds of bottles on the market, and it would be better just to know the exactly measurements, the exactly sizes. It's very important by the order. Also, you can use such our solution G-connector is used and designed special for mugs. If you bottle in mugs, in bar, or in your home brewing also. And if you have unstandard bottles or cans, you can use G-connector long. It's like a beer guy. You know this very famous product on the market, yeah? Also very important are the repair sets. Normally, we have no breaks of our iTap product, but it's a life. It's a so to say life of products. We mean the seals, especially, that can be wasted and broken with some period, approximately 1 year. And we have different kinds of repair sets. You have to Now about iTap and iTap X. In iTap X there are seals on red color. You have to remember it's very simple. And iTap simple, not X. The repair set consists only of seals of red color and black color. It's a difference, yeah, and just by the order it's very important to know that for iTap X is the special own repair set, and for iTaps is the different repair set. And finally, we should talk about handles. This handle is a standard handle, usually used, very comfortable for the hand. Also, you can choose such a short handle. It's designed special for your clients, so which can make a logo type, your logo on the handle, or make some written words here, yeah, the company name and any else. And also we have adapter, also for customized handle. It's special solution for bars and for home brewers also, but for special clients which would like to have customized handle, your own handle. Yeah, yeah. Just we like to say in generally, we don't like to sell more products for your clients. We would like only just to inform you that it's very important to have all the spare parts, all the kinds of accessories to iTaps. And this is really a priority of our company, because we would like to see your clients friendly, happy with our product, and it's our common goal. Yeah, just we will see together by international exhibitions. Just happy to present you our accessories, and let's see.